Hey besties, happy Wednesday. Welcome to my first cash stuffing in May. Let's hop right into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my first cash stuffing in May. I'm super duper excited. We have cash stuffings back to back, y'all. I think like total in the month of May, I think I have like 5 cash stuffings, so I'm super excited about that. But we're gonna be stuffing our first check in May. Total, it's gonna be $1,617 that we're stuffing in our wallet, sinking funds, and our bills binder, and we're gonna hop right in. Couple of updates, y'all. So I went ahead and renewed my car insurance, my 6-month policy. So let me tell y'all something. So y'all know my car insurance renewal was set to come out of my account on May 3rd, I believe. It could be May 2nd or May 3rd, but anywho, 2 days before it was scheduled to come out of my account, I went and checked the mail, and you know how you get flyers and advertisements from, different places, whether it be credit card, businesses. Well, I got a flyer in the mail from Progressive Insurance, and it said as low as $99 per month for car insurance. So something told me, Brittany, get one more quote before this $1,036 come out of your account, because I've been getting car insurance quotes here and there, y'all, to see if I can find something cheaper. Nothing has been cheaper lately. Nothing has been cheaper up until that point. And Progressive, I always thought that Progressive was so freaking expensive. So I called the number on the flyer. She puts in all my numbers, asks me questions, and then she comes back and says something along the lines of $767. I said, I'm sorry, say what now? She said $767. Mind you, this was not with rental car reimbursement and roadside assistance. I knew those two things were extra, so I didn't tell her to add those onto the first quote. So she said $767. I said, oh really? I said, well, can you add rental car reimbursement and roadside assistance and tell me how much it goes up to? And then she said 800 and don't quote me on this, I think it was like $862, maybe $872. I said sold. I said sign me up, please. I want that. So every 6 months with Progressive, it'll be like $872, y'all, as opposed to $1036, what I was paying with my old car insurance. I had her, sign me up so fast, y'all, and immediately when she signed me up and I got sent the documents, I went to my old car insurance and I canceled it, y'all. So that $1036 didn't come out of my account. So I saved money. So because I took $1040 out of my insurance policies binder envelope, I'm gonna put that difference back into my insurance policy envelope, y'all. So we saved money there. I'm so excited. We saved over $170 with our car insurance. So I'm so freaking excited about that. Next is gonna be my car registration. That is due. I just got sent a car registration bill renewal letter in the mail to register my car in Texas, $73. Y'all want to guess how much it costs to register my car here in Arizona? Because I thought, okay, my car registration is due, I have to get Arizona registration, so I might as well do it right now. Do you know how much it costs, y'all? Go ahead, take a guess. Take a guess how much it costs to register my car in Arizona, y'all. $218. Can you believe that? How do you go from 73 to 218? It makes no sense. Granted, this 218 did include the $25 fee that this third-party DMV establishment charges, but even still, that is such a huge difference. I'm so irritated about that. I had to sit on that number for a few days. I just can't believe it, okay? That's the second update. Third update is I finally booked the handyman to come out and mount my bedroom TV, some mirrors, and other things on my wall, okay? He was supposed to come today. He texted me 2 hours before he's supposed to be here saying that he overbooked himself and can he reschedule for tomorrow. I am busy the rest of the week. Like, I planned my day around this man coming today. And then I get that text message. So I'm highly, highly upset about that. So unprofessional. He was so nice the first time he came, got here early, great conversation. I don't understand it. So I don't know if I want to go on Thumbtack and rebook someone else or see if this handyman could come out possibly Sunday after 1 p.m. I don't know. I'm up in the air about it, but I thought for sure all of my stuff was going to be mounted today, and it's not. So that's that. Have you guys noticed my cup of orange concoction here? So I've started drinking. So this here is carrot juice, ginger, turmeric, and some honey, y'all. And this is my pretty girl concoction for the rest of this year. It is so good, okay? But I've been drinking this. It's like the turmeric and the ginger with the honey balances the carrot juice out, okay? Because carrot juice by itself I cannot drink, but this right here, it tastes like a healthy juice. It's super good. If I have a picture of the 2 bottles that this came in, I'm gonna insert a picture because the turmeric, the ginger was in 1 bottle, and then the carrot juice was in another bottle. I didn't freshly squeeze anything, okay? This did come in a bottle and I just combined it in this 1 cup with ice, but it's so freaking good. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right in. I think that's everything. Y'all know that my little calendar here does not go past 5, okay? So even though it's Wednesday, May 7th, you're gonna see 5, okay? Going right into our wallet. Groceries. So we did up groceries a little bit. Groceries is getting $200. That's gonna be $200 bills. Bam. Okay, gas also is getting a little bit more. It's getting 80, and that's going to be $4.20 for gas. Perfect. Fun is going to get 40, and that's going to be $4.10. Dining out is also going to get 40, and that's going to be $4.10. 20, 30, 40. Self-care is going to get 60, and that's going to be a 50 and a 10. So exciting news. So my new position with my new company, they allow gel nails, y'all. So I'm super excited to start getting my gel manicures again, y'all, with all the cute designs. That's why I put a little bit of extra in here, because maybe on Monday after work, because Monday is my last day at my current job, I'm thinking of going and get a gel manicure, y'all. So that's super excited, because my fingers are so like rough looking from all the sanitizer at work. My fingers are super fat, and then I can't wear any color on them. So they just look hideous in my opinion. So gel is definitely gonna make my hands pop, and I can't wait to get a manicure with some gel on top. Okay, so that's everything from my wallet. Now we're going into our bills binder first. You guys know what I did not do? I did not update my trackers. Oh my God, and if I do it on camera, this video is gonna take super long. I'm not gonna do it on camera. It'll just take too long. But rent is getting $800, and that's $800 bills. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just gonna update these trackers off camera. So rent now have $800. I can't believe I forgot to do that. I'm usually on top of it. Okay. Insurance policies is getting $173, so that's the amount that we saved switching our insurance policies. So 100, 150, 170, and then 1, 2, and 3. 150, 70, 1, 2, 3. It's going in insurance policies. I can go behind those ones. 150, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So this is a good jump for our next 6-month renewal, and then our renter's insurance. That is due in November too. So both of those are going to be due in November. Household bills is going to get 56, so a 55, 6 for household bills. Let's go ahead and add this. Okay. So household bills now have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 360, 370, 375, 380, 385, 390, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400. So we have $400 in household bills. Perfect. Medical is going to get a 20. Pretty sure that's just a $20 bill. Yes. So medical has 100, 200, 300, 320. And then that is everything for our household bills. Give me just a moment, y'all. Let me take a sip. Okay, now we're going into our sinking funds binder. And we're doing $10 in car maintenance. Looking like we're gonna have to be adding a little bit more to this because car registration comes out of car maintenance. So we have 500 in the bank, 20, 40, 50. So 550 in car maintenance, minus 218 because we're gonna have to pay that 218 to register our car here in Arizona. Wedding is getting a 10. So we now have $110 in wedding. Home is getting 10. So we now have 120, 30, 40, 140 in home. I actually bought some things for my home, some additional mirrors that I want to go in my hallway leading to my bedroom, and some more shelves that I want to go in my dining area. So I do have to unstuff that money in my unstuffing video. Business is getting 15. So 10, 15. So business now has 50, 60, 75. Travel is getting nothing. Skipped. Kids is getting a 10. Kids has a 0, y'all. So we're just gonna slide that $10 bill right in here. Self-care is getting 5. Self-care currently only have 5, so that's gonna put us at 10 for self-care. Next cash stuffing, we will be putting so much more than that because y'all know I have appointments booked. My boho knotless sprays is booked, lash appointment, wax appointment, my facial with PRP is booked. There's a lot of appointments coming up this month. So next cash stuffing, we will be putting a lot of money in this envelope, y'all. Birthdays is getting 15. 10, 15. So we have 50, 60, 75 in birthdays. Emergency fund is going to get 10. So we have 1,500 in the bank, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,850, 1,860, 1,865 in emergency fund. Joey Jr. is getting $3. Last $3 bills. So we now have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 in Joey Jr. Clothing is going to get a 20. I also need to beat this up because I do need to get some new work clothes for my new position. So this now has 2040. I'm so excited about that. I actually need new work shoes and a few clothing pieces for my new position. So that one we're gonna have to add more money to as well. Savings is going to get 20. So we now have 500 in the bank, 600, 700, 720 in savings. Christmas is going to get 10. Ooh, I feel like I'm missing. Okay, wait. 100, 120, 130, 140 in Christmas. Perfect. New car is going to get 10. New car has a $1,000 placeholder. That's what's in the bank. And we are adding $10 to that. So 1,010 in new car. Our 52-week challenge has been moved from this binder to my home buying binder since all of that money saved is going in that binder anyway. But that is everything, y'all. So we've stuffed 1,000, how much? $1,617 into our wallet, our sinking funds, and our bills binder. I did that kind of fast. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's everything. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another cash stuffing video, my first cash stuffing video for May. Many more to come. I'm super excited. I feel it in my bones that we're going to be able to fully fund 1, possibly 2 envelopes in my home buying binder. I feel it in my bones, y'all. I've been working my butt off, okay? Like, we're down to the crunch time. Your girl is trying to start looking for a home to buy in October, okay? So I'm going hard right now. Super tired. Y'all can see me right now. I have bags underneath my eyes, but that's okay. Your girl is sacrificing a little bit of sleep to get them extra coins for me and my kids' home. My first home purchase on my own, okay? I'm going hard for that, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm able to accomplish that goal at the end of this year. It's a must, okay? Alrighty, so if you made it this far, you're not subscribed, hopefully you have considered subscribing. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a comment down below and let me know that you stopped by, or let me know that you decided to subscribe so I can come to your channel and support you as well. We must stick together in this budgeting community. Remember, subscribing is absolutely free. It costs us $0, so why not support each other, right? I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.